What's up, traders? Welcome to another section of the Greatness Forex Academy. In this video, I'm going to show to you how to backtest a working strategy, how you are to backtest any trading strategy. I'm making this video especially because of my students, because they've noticed, or we know on TradingView, that if you are not on paid plans, you can't make use of the replay tool from the 4-hour time frame and below. You can only make use of it on the monthly, weekly, and daily. Why is this so? Because on the intraday time frame, that's where we make entry, and you are only allowed to make use of the replay tool there if you are on paid plans. So many of you don't have money to go for the paid plans. So I decided to show you another way to backtest a working strategy in any trading platform, whether TradingView, MT4, MT5, CTrader, WebTrader, and so on and so forth. So I advise you watch this video to the end because there are going to be a lot of value attached to it. So let's get straight into the chart. Now, I want you to understand that to backtest any strategy, or let me say a strategy that is proven or it's working, has these two things. It has a good entry and exit, risk management, slash risk to reward ratio. If any strategy you are backtesting or applying does not have any of this, then the strategy is not a strategy. I will not call that a strategy. It's called a gambling strategy. It's never an edge over the market. A strategy is an edge over the market, what you know that you can use to make money from the market. It must have a good entry and exit. You must have a way to pinpoint your entry so as to be a good side, and your stop loss, because there is a way you will enter and your stop loss will be very huge, while there are areas you will enter you have good stop loss. And the strategy should also give you a point to stop, because there are areas the market will get to, it will start reversing. But your strategy should give you a point to exit your trade. Like last night, I was in a trade and I went to sleep. I just moved my stop loss to break even, which means I was risk free. But when I woke up this morning, I saw it has hit my take profit. So that is because I got my entry and my exit, and I went to sleep at peace with zero risk, and I came back to see the market has closed me with the exact profit I wanted. Your strategy should also have a good or proper risk management, meaning if you are to trade, your strategy should be showing you, or it should teach you what you are to risk per trade, and it should show you what you are to gain per trade, which is the risk to reward ratio. This is not what I came to talk about or what I want to teach. I just want to show you how to backtest a working strategy. Now, for you to have a strategy, it means you already know how to identify trends. As you can see, this is an uptrend. If you make use of a trend line, you can see this is an uptrend. But I'm not going to teach you that now, because I know you already know that. You already know that from my previous videos. So I just want to show you how you are to backtest this. Now, let me just come up with any strategy. Let's say your strategy is breakout and retest. Breakout and retest. Let me say that. For example, now this is a downtrend, a huge move to the downside, and we have to be looking for what? We have to be looking for what? Sell opportunity only in a downtrend. Sell opportunity, no buy trade. Now this is the moment the trend. Now from here, from this area, this was still a downtrend, and it started coming down a bit. It was still a downtrend. Now the moment it turned to an uptrend was when it broke this region. Can you see? Immediately it broke this region. This is a resistance zone, which you know already, and it also serves as resistance in this area and serves as what? Support from this area. Let me show you what I'm saying. Now you can see it serves as support here, resistance here, and here it's coming to serve as support again. Now The moment it breaks this region, you know it's an uptrend. This is no longer a downtrend. So if it's coming down again, this area should push it to the upside. So what are you going to be doing? Now let's say you want to backtest here. Here is your strategy. Your strategy is showing here because your strategy is break out and retest, break out and retest, break out and retest. Now what are you going to do? You will just pick this vertical line, you put it in the two candles that broke the structure, that broke the resistor level. This is the first candle and this is another candle. You can as well decide to put it in three candles, the candle before the breakout this way also. You just put it at this region. Now what are you going to do? Come in. Okay, let me pick it and put it here. Now the candle that break the first three candles before the breakout. Now you move over to the 4-hour time frame. Now what are you going to be doing? You look for that region you applied those candles. Now this is the region, this is the breakout and retest you have been waiting for, because your strategy is breakout and retest. As you can see, if you weren't using a rule-based strategy or a strategy that has been proven or that works, you will either short here, because as you can see, this is a retest of this zone which many people make mistake of. They will just short here because it is touching resistance and they will make use of candlestick confirmation. Hell no, I don't use candlestick and I will never use it. My students know me, they know what we use. Now they will just say, okay, this is a hammer or whatever they call it, shooting star hammer. Though this is a hammer, and they will say this is a double rejection and this is also a resistance level. They will just short. And as you can see, this is the area they can get profit to. And if they are not break even already, they will be hit out with loss. But the big banks, the big boys, which we always follow and we make use of COT, we'll follow them to ride this trend. Do you see how long this trend is? You follow them to ride this long move to the upside, and you'll be in huge, or let me say massive profit. Now let's go back to the backtesting region. Okay, now this is the area you identify from the daily that are the break and retest of this region with the candles that break it. You are now don't forget you are backtesting your strategy. I'm not analyzing for you. Now this is the area. Let's see. Okay, let me move to this side. Let's say the market is currently here, and you've seen a breakout of this region and a retest of it. Now this retest of this region is where you are going to make your entry, because you trade breakout and retest. Now let me go back to the daily time frame and let's see what we have shown to you. Can you see it here? Break and retest. This is your strategy. You go to the 4-hour time frame where you are to make your entry. If you make use of 4 hours to make entry, as you can see, immediately it broke this region and the retest of it retested with about 3 bearish candles. Now you won't be waiting for candlestick confirmation. You will just make your entry here and your stop loss will be protected by structure, and the next thing you start going to the upside. Do you see it now? Very simple. If you decide to enter with the 1-hour time frame, which I don't make use of, I don't know if you like to use it. There is a lot of noise from there. This is simply, you can see how the huge move is here. This will look like a trend if you go on the 15-minute or lower time frame, because some people make that mistake of trading on lower time frame. Now just one candle from the 4-hour time frame can be a full trend there, which you will trade, and if care is not taken, you will be hit out with huge loss. So day traders, or let me say scalpers, do that a lot. Now this is one of the candle we put this vertical 2 on the daily time frame. As you can see, it printed about 12 candles here, if not more than. Now it is another daily candle. It started from here, it printed all this candle, and this is the last daily candle that broke the area. It is the area, it is the exact area you make your entry because of this retest. And if you decide not to make your entry here, you can still wait for the market to form another structural level here, which is this area. And this is where you can make your entry as well if you miss this first one. And this first one, if you miss it from the 4-hour time frame, you come to the daily, the 1-hour time frame to make entry. As you can see the huge move to the upside. You can see this. Your take profit will either be somewhere here if this is to be my trade, or your take profit, or let's say you have no take profit. Though a working strategy should give you a take profit, a stop loss, risk management, and every other thing. So any strategy that doesn't give you a take profit, which is the exit point, is not a working or a proven strategy. So you can continue doing this in all charts, in all time frame, in all markets. Now we just did this on the 1 hour, on the daily time frame, and we checked the 4 hour for our entry. You can continue doing this on all other markets. For example, let's say you want to do the same thing on gold. For example, let's say you want to do the same thing on gold. This is a daily time frame, and let's say, okay, now for gold, this is structure level break and retest, which I've identified here, and these are what can you see here: head, inverted head and shoulder pattern. This is the left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. Now let's say you want to backtest this, and you just pick these tools. You pick the first 2 candles or 3 candles that break the structure level. Okay, this is it, and let me identify the structure level for you. This is structure level that we are looking at now, not this right shoulder. This is structure level. It was broken. Now you go on your 4 hour time frame to see that same structure level. Very simple. You just scroll to the back. Now this is structure level you identify, and this is when it was broken, and this area should be where you'll be looking for your entry. And if your entry wasn't provided here, you can decide to go on the 1 hour time frame, which I don't make use of, but I'm just showing you something you should learn here. You can decide to go on the 1 hour time frame, search for that same tool as you can see here. Now what can you see here? This is the breakout. If you couldn't get your entry there, you can get your entry from this 1 hour time frame. Or if you can't get it from this retracement, then you wait for another breakout of this region and you get it from here. And you can see the mad move to the upside. The market is still moving to the upside, and by now you'll be in huge profit. So this is how to backtest a working strategy, making use of the vertical lines. If this is a replay tool, let me show you the replay tool. This replay tool, if the replay tool isn't working for you because you are not on paid plans, if I'm to make use of the replay tool now, this is what I will just do. I'll just cut off this market. I'll just cut it off. Can you see it now? And I'll start backtesting and waiting for my strategy to pump up, waiting for my rules to pump up before I make entry. So this is how it is. Very simple, but if you are not on a paid plan, you won't be allowed to use it on the 4 hour time frame, but just on the daily time frame. So I've shown you another simple way. This can be done using your phone as well on MT4 or MT5. All you need to do is pick the vertical lines, and it is as simple as you have seen here. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share to your friends, and you'll be notified each time I publish a new video. Also, we'll be doing more. We just started, Greatness Forex just started barely 2 months. We have our academy set. We offer free forex education on our website and our Telegram channel, and our lifetime mentorship program, which you will get the price from either our Telegram channel or our website. So if you wish to join us, well, you are welcome. But if you don't wish to join us, you want to learn forex for free, you are not restricted. You can see what I'm doing here. You can do the same, and you make mad money from the market. I've gotten testimony so far. Within these 2 months we started, it's not yet 2 months. I've gotten testimony so far from those watching my YouTube videos, and they are making cool money doing what they've learned. So you too can do the same. But if you need a lifetime mentorship, you get access to it. Our rule-based strategy, there are 3, our entry, everything, and anything that we have that will come up later. For those in our mentorship program, they will get it for free. For those on our free subscription, we won't get it for free. So also the COT will be up very soon, which I taught you how to use Confluence already. Very soon you learn how to apply the COT. So help us broadcast our channel, share so that we can at least hit 1,000 subscribers, so you can enjoy all the goodies we have for you. So this is all for now. I believe you understand very well. So watch us for our next video. Today is a Thursday, and you have to send your questions to me, any forex related question. I will answer in video format by Friday, and by Saturday we'll do the weekly forex forecast to see what we will be looking at for the following week. This week has been a great week so far, and if you check very well, almost all our trades hit take profit. If you check very well, almost all, you can see them here. Once we are doing the review of the weekly forex forecast, I will show you all the pairs. And this is all for now. Thank you very much. God bless.